Hello and welcome to our review of Fireflies AI. Today we're diving into the world of AI-powered meeting management to see if Fireflies AI truly lives up to its reputation as the best meeting summarizer in 2024. But before we jump in, make sure to check out the link in the description below to learn more about Fireflies AI and its features. Fireflies AI is a cutting-edge tool designed to transform the way we conduct meetings. With its advanced AI technology, Firefly's AI automatically transcribes meetings and generates detailed summaries, making it an indispensable tool for professionals across industries. One of the key features of Firefly's AI is its accuracy in transcribing meetings. By accurately capturing every word spoken, Firefly's AI ensures that no important details are missed, allowing users to focus on the discussion without worrying about taking notes. But Firefly's AI doesn't stop at transcription. It also offers AI-powered meeting summaries that highlight the key takeaways and action items discussed during the meeting. This feature saves users valuable time by providing a concise overview of the meeting, making it easier to follow up on important points. Another standout feature of Firefly's AI is its ability to track keywords and topics discussed during the meeting. This feature helps users quickly locate specific information within the meeting transcript, making it easier to reference and review important points. However, Firefly's AI isn't without its drawbacks. While its transcription accuracy is generally high, it may still struggle with complex audio or accents, leading to inaccuracies in the transcript. Additionally, the free version of Firefly's AI has limitations on storage and transcription credits, which may be restrictive for users with frequent meetings. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you again soon.